Good morning everyone. Right now it's 5:10 in the morning. This is how it look like. Still everyone is sleeping. Only around 3 people are wake up right now. See the situation. Soon everybody going to wake up. It is going to be rush over here for the comfort room. Lucky enough I wake up early, so I beat the crowd. Perseus, how's your sleep? Is good? Who's there? Sunrise? He out. My baby boy is out.
Good morning.
Morning, Stephen. Where are you going? Stephen, that's full. Go up. Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Good morning, Forest Hill. I'm here for all of us. Good morning.
So everybody waking up one by one. Brother, you okay?
Masakit ano yan mo?
Bakit takot ka?
Oo, yung lizard na big.
Pag dumikit yun, mahirap malaki.
Oh, like?
So how is Stephen? You okay?
Tastes like mint.
Tastes like mint? You don't like my toothpaste?
Tastes like mint.
Tastes like mint. So everybody wake up out here. Wow, early morning cleaning the pool. It's fantastic.
Why so brown?
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad.
Good morning.
Good
Hi.
Say hello there.
So everybody wake up. Hi, good morning.
Hello. Let's make coffee.
Mr. Underwear Pants.
If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Leslie, how about that?
Thank you.
So you didn't believe it, huh? You would have told me sooner, it will be resolved sooner. You wasted your time.
Where did you get it?
That's a secret.
Happy Christmas. For black and white. Let's hope it's a good one. Without any fear. No
Good morning.
Morning.
So I'm going to return the Phillips screwdriver. Hello.
Dahil yung kanya nga yung parang...
Walang zipper.
Pero nung madaling araw, malamig. Oo, yung paa ko lalamig.
Macaroni.
Dahil dapat mag-rice.
Ito, sa'yo.
Roseanne,
Yes.
what is that?
It's a barbecue.
Barbecue is pork.
Pork barbecue.
Fantastic. I will looking forward.
Yes, of course.
That's going to be barbecue pork.
Hello.
Shout out to
That's another team working over here.
10 pieces pa.
Yes. 10 pieces hot dog.
Hot dog. Okay.
4 sopas.
3.
5-1.
3 I have.
Yung tinatantusan mo, walang 7.
I have one so far. Wala. Look at that. That's going to be like a big deal.
Straight saka...
Oh, straight at saka lucky 7.
It's a winner. Ah, that's a winning prize. Fantastic.
How? Is it water?
Waterproof, yeah, go. Go, black. Go, go, go. Guys. Hey. Vlog takeover. Vlog takeover by Coach Saraya. Hey.
Hiram ha, saglit lang. Babalik mo. Saglit.
Kita mag-take vlog takeover. Aya.
Oy guys, lubog tayong tatlo. Man.
Guys, lubog. Jared. 1, 2, 3.
Hi. What are you doing? Nick? Really nalamig. Hindi na ata ni-record. Naka-record, sir.
Nakikita ba ito sa ano?
Oo, bakit?
Pati sa ilalim? Ha? Pati sa ilalim?
Wala.
This is the full length.
Full length?
This is the full length.
Ah.
I didn't change the mount. That's the maximum length.
Okay.
Paano to? Wait lang. Ay, teka lang. Mag-record nga ako yung lumang.
Ganito ka.
Ha? Oo nga muna ako dyan.
Go.
Rapita ba?
Ang ganda ng camera.
Ulat. Ay, lawin tayo. Ready? Hindi pantay lang ba?
Ha?
Pantay lang yan.
Pantay lang yan.
Pantay naman lang. Ready?
Okay. Clara girl. Coach Saraya.
Oy, follow niyo ako.
Mid Kupal. Kupal 3. Kupal 1, Kupal 2, Kupal 3. Kupal 4. 5.
Ay, dito nga. Dito.
Oh.
Hi!
Hi guys.
Hi guys!
Welcome to my guys.
Kami na ng picture nga. Or tayo tatlo. Hi! Ay, kunyari. Lumog tayo. Dito lang ako, dito lang. Dito lang.
Bakit Clara agal? Ay, ako lang. Hey, let's go.
A fantasy to run it through reality and my destination makes it worth a while pushing through the darkness still another mile I believe yes something's in everything I see I believe yes when I know the time is right for me I cross the street I have a dream.
Right now 2:15. We are having lunch. rice, and we have fried rice, vegetable with the egg, barbecue pork. It looks fantastic. I'm going to deal with it. Really very hungry. Now I went for second round. See that? This pork is fantastic. Vegetables are nice. This food very good with Coca-Cola.
Congratulations! Our most brave team award goes to the yellow team! Ayan, matatapang pala. Our Chief Girl Scout award, red team! Congratulations! The overall champion, red team! Congratulations!
Hello guys! Ako po si Sally Gascon Cabanada ng San Andres, Balungao. Kung nais nyo po ay lugar na privado na pwedeng pasyalan ng buong pamilya, buong barkada at tropa, pasyalan nyo po kami dito sa Forest Hill Resort. I-visit nyo lang po yung aming page, Facebook page, Forest Hill Resort Balungao. At agad po kaming magre-reply sa inyo. Pwede po kayong mag-exclusive, pwede din po kayong mag-camping. Ayan, thank you po. Bye, see you.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.